Today's reaction is honk if you're only prank on my boyfriend by Nicky and Pierre. Like, the link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. So let's get into this reaction in 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, it's Nicky. So, today, because Pierre made me eat bugs last week, like literal dead bugs.
Just condition your brain. Like mom gave you when you were young.
They give me like diarrhea. I'm going to get back. They give me like diarrhea. I'm going to get back at him today and write something nasty on the car and make people honk so he kind of freaks out. He doesn't understand what's going on. Honk if you're... I think it's good. Honk if you're horny. Okay, let's get Pierre. Oh, I gotta get rid of this. There we go, perfect.
Probably.
Pierre, are you ready? Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
So we're going for lunch, right?
Yes.
Where do you want to go?
Wherever you want.
Can I drive?
You want to drive?
Yeah.
Okay, of course, yeah.
I feel like I'm getting better.
You are, you're doing really good. Look, I just got the car cleaned.
Oh my
Looks
god,
good,
it
no?
looks so good. They look so clean.
Shall we?
So
So why
clean.
are we recording?
I just wanted to do like a vlog for TikTok and stuff.
Oh really?
We don't do much of those, so I really wanted
It's
to try
true.
and do that. You just never know what happens, you know?
Okay, that's awesome. Hi guys.
Eh,
We're gonna go get lunch.
We're taking you with us for lunch. Is this guy taking pictures of us?
I don't know. Maybe it's
it could be. Ah!
Huh?
What are you doing?
I don't know. There were still cars going.
Why did he beep at you?
I don't know. Maybe I was taking too long to turn.
Pierre, what is going on? Why are they beeping at you?
I don't know. 40, 45 and a 40. That's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Why are they honking? Oh. What is going on?
What was that?
What did I do?
Oh my god, they give me 100
What if the trunk is open and everything was falling out this whole time? What is going on, Nicholas? I'm freaking out. Should we stop and go
don't
see?
stop. What if it's like, I don't know, what if they're gonna kill us or something?
Looks like you're taking a picture of the car.
Maybe it's a fan, I don't know.
What is this?
Mm.
Where am I going?
Follow the navigation.
Oh, I feel like I suck at driving.
No, baby, it has nothing to do with your choice.
Man, yeah, look, I just missed the thing now.
It's okay, you're stressed out. I feel like everybody's happy. Oh my god, here. Oh my god, close your window. Oh my god. Close your window here. Oh my god. Why is that? Oh my god, there's some big fans.
Come on, Nick. We're not that famous.
What was that?
Oh my god, Nicholas. What is going on? No, baby.
This poor guy.
Why are you laughing? What is going on? I'm not doing anything.
What is he doing?
Oh my god. No, baby, there's something wrong. What? Baby, there's something wrong. I promise you, there's something wrong. I don't know. You admit I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not crazy.
I'm just as like flabbergasted.
That was the worst drive ever. Literally. Baby, what's wrong with people?
I don't know, my love. I don't know.
What was that? Oh my God! Okay, I'm in the parking lot. What do you want me to do? No, but literally. Okay.
Careful.
I'm gonna park right here.
Yeah.
Let's go check if something. Cause
Are you sure you want to check? Okay.
it's open this whole time.
Are you sure?
Oh my God, Nick!
I'm sorry,
No,
baby, but it's payback
so
for the bugs.
It's so embarrassing. Oh non, mais c'est pas possible.
I'm sorry, but you literally gave me such bad diarrhea for a week from those bugs.
Oh my God, all these people was just honking for that.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I really thought there was something wrong with me.
No, baby, there's nothing wrong with you.
I love you, but it's just one birthday.
Oh no, but don't, it's a joke. Baby, it's a joke. What are you doing? Where you want to... What are
There was honk if you only punk on my birthday by Nicky and Pierre. The link to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out and drop a like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one, and subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified below in a month. Bye.